7MBP160RTA06001 by uscomponent.com. The 7MBP160RTA06001 is a power module from Fuji Electric, designed for high-efficiency applications. Featuring a voltage rating of 600V and a current rating of 160A, it provides robust performance for various industrial and commercial uses. This module integrates IGBT technology with low power loss and high-speed switching capabilities, ensuring efficient energy management. Its compact design facilitates easy installation and integration into existing systems. The 7MBP160RTA06001 is ideal for applications such as motor drives, inverters, and renewable energy systems, offering reliability and durability in demanding environments. Choose this module for superior performance and energy efficiency. Ready to buy 7MBP160RTA06001? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.